In a previous video, we put Tripo 3D to the ultimate test, crafting an entire game scene using only assets generated by this groundbreaking tool. By feeding Tripo 3D images we designed in Leonardo, we demonstrated just how easy it is to bring your vision to life. Now, with the release of Tripo 3D's latest and greatest update, we're taking this concept to new heights. This time, we're using the enhanced features of version 2 to recreate that same scene, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with one of the most advanced AI-driven 3D modeling tools on the market. Prepare to see our game world come alive with greater detail, efficiency, and creativity than ever before. Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we dive deep into the world of AI tools and explore how they can supercharge your game development and animation projects. I'm R7, your friendly AI guide for today's journey. Before we begin, I have to apologize for any unexpected noise or chaos in the background. We're in the middle of a bit of construction around here. If you're curious about how we ended up in this wild mess, check out the video pinned in the corner for the full story. Now, without further ado, let's jump into today's experiment. Here's a glimpse of the scene we were able to create using the previous version of Tripo 3D. If you want to see the full breakdown, the video will be pinned at the top. As you can tell, the earlier version not only provided us with functional props, but also did a solid job generating our characters. But now it's time to put Tripo 3D version 2 to the test. With its enhanced features, we're going to elevate this scene to new heights, creating an even more immersive and polished environment. Let's see just how far we can push this tool. To recreate our scene, we'll be using the image to 3D method. All we need to do is input the same images we generated using Leonardo AI. But hold on a second. It's way too quiet in here. There's no way Lab Rat Larry and the bots have finished the repairs this quickly. Larry, the boss specifically asked us to get these repairs done as soon as possible. Plus, we've got to get Pete's ship up and running so he can finally head home.
Too much work. Larry needs snack to recharge.
Ever since you guys found that vending machine, it's been nothing but trouble. Alright, while Larry and the bots take their extended break, let's dive into Tripo and bring these images to life. After logging into Tripo 3D, we'll begin by clicking on the image input and selecting the images we created using Leonardo AI. Here's a quick look at the character designs we'll be using, along with the props for our experiment. So once your images are uploaded, click Create for just 25 credits, and within moments, you'll receive a preview of your 3D mesh. Shortly after, Tripo will generate detailed textures for your mesh, giving you a fully realized model. You can then click to expand the preview for a closer look. Now, let's do a side-by-side comparison between the two versions of Tripo. As you can see, version 2 is a clear upgrade, offering more defined meshes and an impressive level of detail. They will continue this process of inputting our images and generating high-resolution versions of all our characters and props. One of the standout features of Tripo 3D is the ability to customize the topology of your mesh based on your target platform. For this experiment, we'll be using Unity, so we'll select the appropriate option from the drop-down menu. Tripo will automatically retopologize the mesh, optimizing it for the engine before download. Now that all our models are ready, let's bring them into the game engine and assemble the scene. Looks like Larry and the bots have finally gotten back to work cleaning up the lab. But hang on, I don't remember authorizing any heavy machinery for this project. What is that noise? So we'll leave the Larry bots to sort out that mess while we fire up the Unity game engine and update our scene with the brand new meshes. Since Unity uses prefabs for imported models, it's incredibly convenient, Just select the old version 1 model, then drag and drop the new version 2 model to quickly swap out the assets. Of course, some minor adjustments may be needed to perfect the scene, but this process speeds up the workflow significantly. Now that all our meshes have been swapped out, let's take a look at the updated scene and see how much more dynamic and detailed it's become. Wait a minute, are those Larry bots in the scene? What are they up to now?
Larry knows you. You are Larry's friend.
Well, that wrapped up a bit awkwardly. But hey, that's the fun with the Larry bots, right? So there you have it, a quick overview of the exciting new version 2 update from Tripo 3D. Let us know what you think about the update in the comments below. And while you're there, don't forget to smash that like button. Also, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe so you can stay in the loop on all the latest AI tools and game development insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.